When I was younger, I grew up with some kids that lived down in this neighborhood. And whenever we would come to their homes, I would just always think, wow, I can't imagine what it'd be like to live down here. And a lot of the homes had the plaques on them that said what year they were built. So when we bought this house and it had the 1869 plaque and it said that it was built for Thomas Wiles, it really piqued my curiosity. So I researched a lot about the family and tried to find out as much as I could about who had lived here and what their life had been like. So my search led me to a site called Find a Grave, where people post about their family members. And I noticed that this one gentleman had been posting a lot about people that had lived in this house. So I reached out and he emailed me back, and that started a conversation thread that went on for about a month, where he just shared so much history about his family members who built this home.
He would take the train every day from Albany to Troy to go to work in his factory.
I wonder though, he must have been very successful.
Oh yeah, he invented laundering equipment. He had a factory in Troy, and he had two other ones, I don't know exactly where in the country, and one in Germany. He was also an inventor. He invented a lot of photography equipment and, oddly enough, a lot of firefighting equipment.
Instantly, when I walked in the house, I was taken back by how wide it is. Because some of the houses down here can be more narrow, and just the original details that it still had. So we started renovating the home very soon after we closed, and we didn't live in it for 5 months. So we pretty much touched every surface in here, from the floors, plaster repair that took 4 months, just repairing the moldings in the house. We had to stabilize walls. We opened up the kitchen. We added a master bathroom. Just really tried to do a lot of restoration work, but also bring the house up to modern standards so that it would be comfortable and you wouldn't feel like you were sacrificing anything.